Good morning, dear children. Today we will see alkynes and their chemical properties and preparation of alkynes. So, alkyne general formula we all know. This is CnH2n minus 2. So, if I have to write ethyne, how will I write? C2H, 2 to the 4 minus 2. So, C2H2. Okay. And what will be the structure? So it is C2H2, and what will be the structure? This is C2NH2. Ion is there, so triple bond is there. So this is an unsaturated compound. Now we will come for the preparation of alkynes. As isomerism and all those are cancelled. So preparation of alkyne. First preparation is from CaC2. What is CaC2? Beta? Calcium carbide. Okay. So first of all, CaCO3 is broken. It is heated. And after thermal decomposition, it will give quicklime and CO2. This quicklime, when reacts with coke, it will give CaC2, that is calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. This calcium carbide reacts with water and it forms C2H2, that is ethyne. Okay, so this is first preparation method of ethyne. Second one is from vicinal dihalide. So what is vicinal dihalide? Beta, yesterday I had explained you. When both dihalide any halogen, so same kind of halogen, if they are on adjacent carbon atoms, just baju wale carbon atom, adjacent carbon atoms, then it is known as vicinal type of dihalide. So what is the name of this IUPAC name of this compound? 1,2-dibromoethane, right? It is a vicinal dihalide. When it reacts with KOH, first kaisa KOH? Alcoholic KOH. Then what happens? Dehydrohalogenation occurs. You see how? CH2Br. So Br is removed, right? And this CH2Br, CH1 hydrogen is removed. So one hydrogen and one bromine is removed. This is known as dehydrohalogenation reaction. And now the compound formed is only one bromine is there. So 1-bromoethane. 1-bromo. Right? So double bond is there. So it is ethene. Kaisa ethene hai? 1 pe bromo hai. Then it reacts with soda amide. This compound is known as soda amide. So when it reacts with soda amide, and here what you see children, alcoholic KOH is there. So when one Br is removed, so minus KBr, right? And OH is there, and one OH is removed, so minus H2O. Yani these products will be liberated out. Correct, children? And so the final product here formed, it is 1-bromoethene. Then this 1-bromoethene reacts with soda amide. It will give the desired product, that is ethyne. This is the method of production of ethyne. Right, children? Now in chemical properties, first we will talk about acidic nature of ethyne. Okay, so ethyne is more acidic than ethene and ethane. Dhyan rakhna, ethyne is more acidic than ethene and ethane. Let me show you ethyne, that is C2H2, because of the presence of 50% S character. Okay, it is more acidic than ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, and it is more acidic than CH3 single bond CH3. So we see that ethyne is more acidic than ethene, and ethene is more acidic than ethane, right? Now to show the acidic character, first reaction we will see, that is ethyne plus sodium. It will give us the compound that is known as monosodium, single sodium है ना बेटा, monosodium ethynide. Okay, तो ये H कहाँ गया? This is half H2. This is monosodium ethynide. Correct? And monosodium ethynide, when it reacts with sodium again, then it will form disodium ethynide. You see both the H are now substituted by Na. So this compound is known as disodium ethynide. It shows the acidic character of ethyne. Then comes addition reaction. So first addition we will see, that is addition of dihydrogen. So dihydrogen कैसे add होगा बेटा? C triple bond CH. Okay. So when dihydrogen is added, it will be in the presence of some catalyst. Catalysts are PT, platinum, or palladium, or nickel catalyst. करेक्ट. तो ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है ना बेटा, दो हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाएंगे तो नाउ इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंगल बॉन्ड. सो सी CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2. ओके, C2H2 था, नाउ इट विल बोथ द हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर एडेड, सो CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2. देन अगेन H2 विल बी एडेड, अगेन PT, nickel और पैलेडियम. सो इट विल फॉर्म C, दोनों हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाएंगे तो CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. सो दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज hydrogenation reaction. Final product will be alkane. Okay, so which alkane is there? Here ethyne was there, so ethane will be formed. Similarly, if you will take propine, so propane will be formed. Hydrogen atoms are added. Then addition of halogen. How halogens are added? Halogens में if I add here C triple bond CH plus Br2. Okay, so what will happen? Both the bromine atoms will be added to this, so it will form C. H is already there, Br double bond C, H is already there, Br. So 1,2 dibromo, it will form 1,2 dibromo ethene. Can you see children? 1,2 dibromo ethene. Again if Br2 will be added, then what will form? C H Br. Here also Br. Here also C. Here Br. H was already there. So the bond is now saturated. Addition of Br2 is there. So the name of the compound will be 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane. Can you see children? Is it coming blur? Let me adjust the camera. You see the reaction again. First we have taken ethyne, Br2. It will form 1,2 dibromoethene. Do you see? Again Br2 will be added. So both the Br again will be added. So now it will become 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane. In this way addition of halogen will take place. Correct? Now addition of hydrogen halides. So how hydrogen halides will be added? Like if we take the example of same ethyne, CH, right? Plus hydrogen halide means क्या बेटा? कोई भी halide ले लो. Let us take HBr or HCl or HI. Then it will form gem halide. What is gem halide? Let me show you. It will first form H and Br. Both will be added. So it will become C H2, correct? And double bond C H Br. Okay. So it will become bromoethene. Okay. This bromoethene, when again it is treated with HBr, it will form again here H will be added this side. Okay. And Br में एक और B attach हो जाएगा Br. So it will form CH3 CH Br, and one more Br is already there. So the name of the compound is 1,1-dibromoethane. 1,1-dibromoethane. तो ऐसे compounds जिसमें both the halogen atoms, same halogen atoms, are on single carbon atom, then they are known as geminal type of halide या gem dihalide. Okay. Next is addition of H2O. So ethyne, this is ethyne. When H2O is added, so HOH, this is H2O. it is added in presence of Hg2 plus mercuric sulfate, acidic medium, dilute H2SO4, and temperature is 333 Kelvin. So it will give CH2 double bond CHOH. Then isomerization will take place. And it will give ethanal. The name of the compound is CH3CH double bond O. So this compound is ethanal. If you see, both are same compounds, same molecular formula, but different structure. Okay. So this is alcoholic group is there, here aldehyde group is there. So this compound is known as ethanal. Two carbon atoms are there. So ethanal. So in this way, H2O is added to ethyne, yeah, any of the alkyne. Next is polymerization. Two types of polymerization will be there. So one is linear polymerization and one is cyclic polymerization. In linear polymerization, what happens under suitable conditions? So first is under suitable condition, and it produces polyacetylene. इथाइन से क्या बनेगा बेटा? इथाइन से बनेगा polyacetylene. Okay, polyacetylene, it will be formed from ethyne. Okay, and it is a, or polyethylene can also be formed, which is a high molecular. Polyacetylene को actually polyethylene भी कहते हैं. Okay, polyethylene. Okay, YN, polyethylene नहीं है, this is polyethylene, which is a high molecular weight compound, and it is containing repeated units of CH, CH, CH and double bond CH, and so under special condition this polyethylene is obtained. Second is cyclic polymerization. Cyclic compound कैसे होते हैं, you know? So ethyne, when they pass over red hot iron tube at very high temperature, that is 873 Kelvin temperature, it goes for cyclic polymerization. 3 molecules of ethyne produces benzene. Benzene, which is the starting material for preparation of derivatives of benzene, dyes, drugs and large number of other organic compounds. So you see how the reaction takes place. 3 molecules of ethyne. So CH, triple bond CH, then here CH, triple bond CH, then CH, triple bond CH. 3 molecules of CH, triple bond CH, that is ethyne, and we can show with the arrow. So here it will go, and when it is passed over iron tube, वैसा iron tube बेटा, red hot iron tube, at temperature 873 Kelvin, then it will give us benzene. So in preparation of benzene also you have to learn this reaction, and or we can know benzene is also denoted by this. Okay, so benzene is obtained. In the evening I will send you the videos of reactions of benzene. Okay, meanwhile you go through this, learn this. Thank you.